What is the real meaning of sugar in dreams? Today we are going to know all the possible meanings of these types of dreams. So there are some common types of sugar dreams that people see during sleep. Number 1. If you see sugar in a dream, then this dream is considered good and indicates good luck, prosperity and the beginning of something new that will give you tremendous success in the coming future. Or you can meet someone special in waking life who will help and support you as a friend, lover or partner in real life. Now number 2, if you see buying sugar in a dream, then this dream is also considered good and indicates any kind of big profit from a business, job, etc. Or you can buy something valuable which you have been thinking for a long time that will give you real sense of satisfaction and peace in real life. Now number 3, if you see eating sugar in a dream, then it also indicates good luck, success and prosperity in waking life, or any of your big wishes are going to be fulfilled soon without any hindrance. Now number 4, if you see cooking or mixing sugar with something in a dream, then it indicates easy success in any work, project or planning due to your creativity, knowledge and skill in real life. Now number 5, if you see lots of sugar in bags or a pile of sugar in a dream, then this dream is also considered good and indicates that you are going to make huge progress in every aspect of life very easily. Now number 6, if you see giving sugar to someone in a dream, then it indicates that you have something unique, talent, knowledge, skill or wisdom within yourself, which can help lots of people in their life. So this is the right time to recognize your true potential and power with the help of prayer and meditation in real life. Now number 7, if you see spilled sugar in a dream, then this dream gives a kind of warning to change your plans before execution in life, because you have made any kind of wrong decision in life that demands your attention and needs some corrections as soon as possible to get the desired results in real life. Now number 8, if you see someone giving you sugar in a dream, or you are asking sugar from someone in a dream, then it indicates that you are going to get big success due to the help and support of the divine in life, or you are going to get new opportunities and direction for success in life that will change you and your life completely in positive ways. Now number 9, if you see or eat dirty sugar in a dream, then this dream gives a kind of warning to avoid any kind of new or risky work for some time. Otherwise you can face any kind of serious problem in waking life. So to avoid these things, this is the right time to adopt positive attitude towards life, to avoid all kinds of loss and disappointment in real life.